Hi, we're doing an unboxing of the FHD high definition digital video camera recorder. Actually, my school bought this one and I'm doing an unboxing for them. Comes with a charger, a little stand to put the camera on. Comes with a little bag, and also it comes with a remote and 2 batteries actually, and a mic. And here is the video camera right here, if you can see it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the mic, which is pretty simple to put on, you would think. Yeah, it is. It's right there. And there it is. And it kind of moves too, so you can put it. If you look at the back, this compartment right here is where the battery goes. I've already put the battery in there. There's only one way that it's going in. So you just stick it in there. The SD card goes in here. It did not come with an SD card, so I need that to record. And then it just turns on. Very cool. But if I want to record again, it's going to ask me for the SD card. You'll also probably need SD reader for this. They're pretty cheap. So overall, and you can take the front off. Of course, and there you have it. So included in this purchase is the camcorder, the camcorder bag, an external mic, 2 rechargeable batteries, USB cable, a charging adapter, HDMI cable, remote control. I give this camcorder 3 out of 5 stars. Perfect for the beginner or the beginning YouTuber. Hey, good luck with this. Subscribe and like if this product review has been helpful.